Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of Royalton Splash Riviera Cancun, an autograph collection all-inclusive resort. Buckle up for a journey through this Mexican paradise that's sure to make your vacation dreams come true. Let's kick things off with the rooms, shall we? Picture this: 1,005 suites, each one a little slice of heaven. Now, we don't have all the nitty-gritty details on every room type, but let me tell you, these digs are nothing to sneeze at. You've got your standard rooms, of course, but then there are the suites that'll make you feel like royalty. Each room comes decked out with all the bells and whistles you'd expect from a luxury resort. We're talking 24-hour room service, because who doesn't want a midnight snack? Premium bedding that'll have you sleeping like a baby, and a pillow menu. Yes, you heard that right. A menu for pillows. It's like Goldilocks. Dream come true. But wait, there's more. Every room comes with a balcony, perfect for sipping your morning coffee or evening cocktail while soaking in those vacation vibes. And speaking of vibes, the plasma TVs with premium channels will keep you entertained when you're not out living your best beach life. Oh, and let's not forget the piece de resistance, the signature dream bed. It's like sleeping on a cloud, folks, a cloud with a really good mattress. Now, I know what you're thinking. But what about the view? Well, while we don't have the specifics, given that this resort is beachfront, I'd bet my bottom dollar that some of these rooms have ocean views that'll knock your socks off. Just imagine waking up to the sound of waves and the sight of that crystal clear Caribbean water. It's enough to make you want to extend your stay indefinitely. Alright, let's talk grub. This place is a foodie's paradise with 12 restaurants and 10 bars. That's right. 12 restaurants. You could eat at a different spot every day for almost 2 weeks and never get bored. While we don't have the full rundown on each eatery, we do know that Asian cuisine is on the menu. So whether you're craving sushi, dim sum, or a steaming bowl of ramen, they've got you covered. But here's the real kicker. It's all reservation-free dining. No more stressing about nabbing that perfect dinner slot. You just show up when you're hungry, and voila! Dinner is served. It's like the all-you-can-eat buffet of your dreams, except with gourmet food and table service. And let's not forget about those 10 bars. Whether you're a cocktail connoisseur, a beer aficionado, or just looking for a good old-fashioned margarita, you are in Mexico after all. There's a watering hole with your name on it. Imagine sipping on a perfectly crafted piña colada while watching the sunset over the Caribbean. Now that's what I call vacation goals. Now let's dive into the pools and beaches, because let's face it, that's why we're all here, right? Hold on to your swim trunks, folks, because this place is practically a water wonderland. We're talking 6, count 'em 6, outdoor pools. That's enough pools to do a different stroke in each one. And if that wasn't enough, there's also a children's pool for the little ones to splash around in. But wait, there's more. Ever dreamed of floating down a lazy river without a care in the world? Well, dream no more, because Royalton Splash has got you covered. And for those of you who like a little more excitement with your water activities, there are water slides that'll have you screaming with delight. Now let's talk about those swim-up bars. There are 3 of them, which means you never have to leave the pool to get your drink on. It's like the resort gods heard our prayers and said, "Let there be cocktails in the pool." And boy, did they deliver. But what about the beach, you ask? Well, picture this: a stretch of white sand that'll have you feeling like you're walking on clouds. The resort provides sun loungers so you can work on that tan without having to lug your own chair around. And with beach bars nearby, you're never too far from your next tropical drink. While we don't have the specifics on water sports and activities, given the location and the resort's commitment to fun, I'd be surprised if there weren't options for snorkeling, kayaking, or even jet skiing. Just imagine zooming across those crystal clear waters, the wind in your hair, and not a care in the world. Now that's what I call living the dream. Alright, fitness fanatics and relaxation seekers, this next part is for you. Let's talk about the activities and wellness options at Royalton Splash. First up, we've got a fitness center that'll help you keep those vacation indulgences in check. While we don't have the specifics on the equipment, you can bet your bottom dollar it's got everything you need for a good workout. And for those who prefer their exercise with a side of zen, there are fitness classes and yoga sessions available. Namaste. Am I right? But let's be real, we're on vacation, and sometimes that means treating yourself. That's where the spa comes in. Picture this. You're lying on a massage table, the sound of gentle waves in the background as all your stress melts away under the skilled hands of a masseuse. Sounds pretty great, doesn't it? The spa offers body scrubs, wraps, and deep tissue massages that'll have you feeling like a new person. And let's not forget about the hydrotherapy. It's like a water playground for adults. Now, if you're the type who likes to keep active on vacation, no judgment here, the resort has got you covered. While we don't have all the details, it's safe to assume there are plenty of options to keep you moving. Maybe a game of beach volleyball? Or how about a tennis match? The possibilities are endless. And for those days when you just want to relax and soak up the sun, there are plenty of loungers by the pool and on the beach. Grab a good book, order a fruity drink, and let all your worries float away on the Caribbean breeze. Now that's what I call a perfect vacation day. All right, parents, this one's for you. If you're traveling with little ones, you're in for a treat. Royalton Splash is practically a kid's paradise. Let's start with the obvious, the water park. This isn't your average hotel pool with a slide, folks. We're talking a full-blown water wonderland that'll have your kids begging to stay just 5 more minutes, for hours on end. But the fun doesn't stop there. The resort offers a supervised kids club, which means you can actually have some adult time without feeling guilty. While we don't have the specifics on the activities, you can bet they're designed to keep your little ones entertained and engaged. Think arts and crafts, games, and maybe even some kid-friendly fitness activities. And let's not forget about the family-friendly amenities. The resort has clearly thought about what families need to have a stress-free vacation. There's a children's pool for the little ones who aren't quite ready for the big kid waters. And remember those lazy rivers we mentioned earlier? They're perfect for a family float session. But here's the real kicker. The all-inclusive nature of the resort means you don't have to stress about every ice cream cone or poolside snack. It's all included, which means more time enjoying your vacation and less time worrying about the bill. Now, let's talk about what's around this slice of paradise. While we might be tempted to never leave the resort, there are some pretty cool attractions nearby that are worth checking out. First up, we've got Ventura Park, Cancun. This amusement park is like the cherry on top of your vacation sundae. With rides, shows, and even more water activities, it's a great option for a day trip. For the golf enthusiasts out there, El Tinto Golf Course is nearby. So, if you're itching to hit the links, you're in luck. Imagine teeing off with the Caribbean breeze in your hair and stunning views all around. It's golf, but make it tropical. While we don't have specifics on other nearby attractions, this is Cancun we're talking about. You can bet there are plenty of options for shopping, dining, and exploring. Whether you want to check out ancient Mayan ruins, go on a snorkeling adventure, or just do some souvenir shopping, you're in the right place. And the best part, you get to come back to your luxurious resort after all your adventures. It's like having your cake and eating it too. You get to explore the wonders of Cancun, but also have a fantastic home base to return to. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.